Step into the 2008 Buick Enclave. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include front floor mats, remote trunk release, 4-wheel ABS, driver lumbar, electrochromic rear-view mirror, power driver seat, power liftgate, heated mirrors, and power steering. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.